Hello and welcome to another update video about the DXY. Yeah, we are taking it level by level with the DXY, but it's respecting our forecast really well. As I had mentioned to you in the last update, the white count is preferred. And in both of our scenarios that we're tracking, even though the white scenario is preferred, we should end in the low $90 region. That's been forecasted for quite some time now. The price definitely took its time. We've had pretty much only sideways action since the 2023 low. As you can see here, it's just a sideways range. And now the price makes another attempt of breaking down. And it's got a good chance now. I mean, okay, we haven't really taken out those previous swing lows. That's the next task for the bears. Maybe it's going to happen this week. Interesting development is people always say, oh, you know, when the DXY is going down, Bitcoin is going up, and you know, the other markets are going up. Well, I don't see any of that really at the moment. It's just, you know, it's just been moving sideways, okay? And it's so useless really that it doesn't make any sense. We've just been moving sideways. In that whole period, Bitcoin has made new all-time highs, okay, while the DXY only moved sideways. Now the DXY has been going down since June pretty much. I mean, Bitcoin hasn't made new highs since then, okay? However, the SPX has made new highs. So again, you know, that commentary that DXY is going down, everything else is going up, it just doesn't make much sense, okay? That's just something that I repeat again and again and again. Another good piece of evidence for that is if we just zoom out, you can see that both the DXY and Bitcoin have been correlating, right? So obviously Bitcoin didn't start in 2008, but at some point here, 2011, 2012, I think that's when the chart starts. We've seen both of them in a massive bull market. So nobody could explain that to me yet. That's why I always say don't focus so much on correlations. It's largely a myth. So we focus on the DXY itself. And the DXY itself seems to react to our resistance area, and it's between $101.63 and $102.85. And the forecast is still for lower prices, and we're not finished yet. The idea is, especially now, as long as, I mean, this could still stretch into a larger wave 4. It easily could. Even though I have to say it's now looking like a very healthy wave 4 with a wave 5 to come to the downside in circle wave 3. And then we could get another 4-5 pattern and another 4-5 pattern, and then we land somewhere here in the low $90 region. We will be able to, you know, calculate that a little bit further as we get a more of an idea how the microstructures here unfold. Next support is between, well, no, it's actually here. It's around $99.50. It's that July 2023 low. That's pretty much last structural support here in this range. But from a Fibonacci retracement or extension point of view, what we can do is we take the length of this wave 1, which bottomed in December 23. We go to the high of the wave 2, which topped here in April 24. And then the target for the larger third wave, it's actually the 1.38 extension. That's where it really starts. The 1.236 is technically valid, but as you can see here, there's another 4-5 pattern that's missing. So I don't think we can all fit it in there. We should focus on the 1.38, the 1.618, and the 1.786. Let me shift all of that here. Those are kind of the next targets, that are the next projections to the downside Fibonacci support essentially. And you see here around $99.84 there is structural support and Fibonacci support. Even though I want to take that out, I want to focus only on the targets for a third wave, and I'm talking about triple I. Okay, so this larger third wave here between $94.85 and $97.40. It's looking good, okay? And I think we don't necessarily need to reach $97 in circle 3, but in this larger third wave, we should. Okay, so circle 5 should reach at least $97.40, but probably rather 95 or 94 USD. At the moment, the resistance area remains relevant. It's still between $101.63 and $102.85. Why is it relevant still? Because we haven't broken down yet. We are still technically in a range for this wave 4. This could technically still form a triangle or a wider flat correction. So we'll leave it where it is, but be on high alert that we could break down from here. Any break above resistance would indicate a larger triangle pattern is unfolding. Still technically valid, even though nearly invalidated. So I'm focusing on the white count. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And yeah, hope you have a great start to the week. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.